morning, everybody. It is Friday morning. I'm having my coffee, and I got an 8 o'clock Walmart delivery, and I thought that I would film what I bought. This will get me through the rest of the month, and probably a little after, because some of these things are, they'll extend out. So I thought I would show you what I got delivered today. I had to wait a few minutes to drink a little coffee so I would have a voice for this video. So here we go. I got 1 green pepper. This is the salad mix that I get, and I get 3 meals out of this bag, and it's like less than $3. Really good deal, and I like it. It tastes good to me. I do taco salads, regular salads, chicken salads, everything with this lettuce blend. I got some chicken tenderloins, and I'm going to bread these and bake them, and I think it'll have less fat than the traditional Tyson's chicken tenders, and then I'm going to cut mine up and put it on salad, and I may do that today. I don't know yet. I got a pound of turkey meat, and I'm sorry it's in this thing and you can't see what I bought, but let's see if I can even get it out. There we go. You can kind of see the brand. Not really expensive, but definitely can make some pasta out of that or tacos. This is the usual purchase all the time. We get the turkey burgers. We love these. They are delicious, and they are very filling. And sometimes I eat one, sometimes I eat 2, but no bread. So that is the situation there with the turkey burgers, but my husband loves these. I got some all-purpose cleaners, lemon scented. 2 things of Fiesta blend cheese. I was completely out of laundry detergent, and that was really the reason for this entire order, because I did not have anything to wash clothes. Tortilla chips. So these are the thin and crispy. If I have them, I have like 5 or 6 chips with my salad, or my husband has it with dip. Really good. I bought 2 of these 0 sugar yellow cake mixes. This is my new favorite go-to. I didn't have any dessert last night. I always have a little dessert every single night, so I'm going to have to make something new today. But last night I had a guacamole and 10 thin pretzel crisp. That was my snack last night. I got some sour cream, and they did have the hand soap, and I bought 2 of these because this bathroom down here, which is the one that everybody uses all the time, almost completely out of hand soap. So I got those. These were pretty inexpensive, and they smell good too. I got 3 Jiffy mixes. I got my hair color. This is the one that I use all the time. Went ahead and got it. I got a chili seasoning packet. Mushroom spaghetti sauce. 2 things of diced tomatoes. These are the stand and stuff taco shells. I did get me some Glade plug-ins. I don't know what it is, but every time I go to get these, the aisle just seems overwhelming to me, and I don't really know what to buy, but I did. I got 2 of these and then 2 of the Feels, and that way, if I like these, I can just put these on order and just get them delivered. Some thick and chunky salsa. I got 2 of these, as well as a Rotel. And I'm sick of buying eggs, so I got the 60-pack of eggs right there. So that is my Walmart order. I'm going to go pour me a little more coffee. So I just boiled eggs for a few days, and I'm going to put these in the refrigerator. And that way, our breakfast is taken care of for at least over the weekend, and I don't have to worry about it. So now I have breaded all of my chicken tenderloins that I got from Walmart today. I'm going to put this in a 375 degree oven. I don't know how long, 30, maybe 40 minutes. I like mine really, really good and done and brown. And I'm making Ronnie some macaroni and cheese to go with his, and I'm going to have my chicken on top of salad. Okay, so I'm thinking dessert, and I was brainstorming, thinking something quick and very easy. And I seen this online, and I have never made this combination, but we do a 0 sugar yellow cake mix. We're going to add in some pumpkin pie spice, and then we're going to add in a can of pumpkin puree. Now, you're supposed to be able to mix all that together and make muffins, so I thought, why not make a cake? So I have greased a 9 by 13, well, I've lightly sprayed a 9 by 13 glass pan, and when my chicken comes out, I'll put this in the oven, and I think it's going to be pretty good, and then I'll top it with a little bit of whipped cream as, you know, every night when I have a little piece of it. Okay, so here is my salad that I'm going to have for supper. Early supper, like I said, we eat between 1 and 2. I don't even know what time it is right now, but I wanted to show you, this is my go-to salad dressing. It's called Skinny Girl. It's really, really good. I like the honey Dijon. I'll show you the back of it. 0 sugar, 10 calories, really, really good. And not real expensive, so that's a win-win right there. So I'm going to eat dinner, and then we'll get our day going again. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day since I filmed everything you just watched. I will conclude this video with a piece of my cake and show you what it looks like while it, you know, being cut. I will tell you, I had a little piece of it last night when I came home from my Halloween party that we had at Cabawayne Association for the Blind last night. The party was wonderful. I cannot stress enough how nice it was. So many people, so friendly, so energetic, great atmosphere, great fun. Everything should just be fun for Halloween, you know, no pressure, just fun. It was just so good. Food was really good. I did not eat any of the food. My husband did, and he loved it. So high praises and kudos on the food, because if it pleases him, then you know it's good. I'm sitting here finishing up my cup of coffee this morning. Just wanted to come in this video and just say thank you so much for watching. Today I'm getting my house all cleaned up for company next week. I've got a very busy week next week. But as for today, and concluding this video, I just want to tell you that the pumpkin cake was delicious. I would never guess that it was a 2-ingredient cake. I made it a 3-ingredient cake by putting a few walnuts on top. It took about 20 minutes in the oven or until a toothpick came out clean. But definitely add in your pumpkin spice and your cinnamon to your liking. It makes all the world of difference in the taste of the cake. It was very moist. However, it probably doesn't rise quite as much as your regular cake mix, you know, by following the directions and all that. But I have to say, for a sugar-free or a low sugar, because I believe with the pumpkin, because pumpkin's going to have a lot of natural sugar, I believe there's 1 gram of sugar in each serving, which compared to the others is not bad. I never skip dessert. Very seldom do I ever skip dessert. I always have a little something in the evening. I never, in my diet journey so far, I don't ever deprive myself of things that I want. And I feel like having that little something sweet in the evening makes a difference for me, because I don't feel like I am keeping myself from having anything. And I had a hot green tea with it. I sat in my chair last night after I got home from the party. By the way, if you're wondering, I will put a picture here. Ronnie and I went as Runaway Bride. That was our costume title. I found a wedding gown at Gabe's for $10. I found it last year. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. I decided to make use of it this year. I found Ronnie the funniest t-shirt that makes him look like he's wearing a tuxedo. We had a good time. We were with friends. It was fantastic. I cannot stress enough what a good time we had. In fact, I told my husband, I said, I laughed so much and smiled so much that my face hurt last night. If that is at all possible, that is how much fun we had. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to show you guys what my cake looked like here at the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And, you know, give me a thumbs up if you've been enjoying my content. I know some of you have written me wanting me to do some cleaning videos. It's all in good time. I just am a very busy person. I do good to get these videos to you. And I just kind of got to get them out there as life happens. So you guys are really seeing this kind of in real time as I get these videos. My video release days right now are Monday and Saturdays, which seem to be working really well for me. So I hope that's okay with you guys. But if you can't watch it on Monday, watch all of it on Saturday. Watch one on Sunday. It does not matter to me. I just need to know that you guys are enjoying. Please give me some feedback. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to product ideas, video ideas, anything like that that you would like to see. Leave it in the comments below. I aim to please. So I'll be talking to you all again soon. You all have a fantastic day or night or whenever you watch this. God bless. Bye, guys.